So the unbreakable advertising said, if you break it, we'll buy you a new one.
Okay, what is it?
It doesn't specify.
No, what is unbreakable?
I genuinely thought it was my phone.
And so this is an advertising campaign?
Yes, Your Honor.
Where did you see this? On television? On the internet?
I was online, and I saw it online, and I need an unbreakable phone. I work
So this is a phone ad?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is it for phone or phone cases?
It's for phone cases.
How do we make a phone?
It's for phone cases, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
All right, so this was for phone cases,
yes.
And it was called Unbreakable.
Right.
And so this is something that you created, Mr. Leslie, or this is your company?
This is my company, Your Honor.
All right, and what is the premise of it being unbreakable? I mean, presumably it means it doesn't break, but it's bull like the animal. What
no, we take life by the horns of the bull.
Ah, okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. And so you have advertising that says that your phone cases are unbreakable.
No, we say that our cases are strong and sturdy, and we'll replace it for you if it breaks.
Okay. So why are we here suing for $1,531.91 over a phone case?
It's over a phone. And the case was on it. He said, like on the advertisement, it says that the phone case is unbreakable. The phone broke. The phone case broke.
Well, he must know that it
me.
might break because he said if it breaks, we'll give you another one. Was that another case or another phone?
It's the same. This is the case right here.
No. But does the advertising state that we'll buy you another phone or we'll give you another case?
It doesn't specify. That's the thing.
So just the fact that this guy came to court and is suing this guy over his broken phone already reads red flag to me. Because to be honest, advertising can be very sketchy, and as for someone that has been in the whole digital marketing thing, you don't believe at face value. This guy said that if you break their phone case, they will bring another one. And one of the things that you see in all these marketing materials, even online, is that you see T&C apply. So when people are overselling their products, be mindful of what you hear and try to digest the information before taking an action that might backfire on you. And that's what happened here, because this guy clearly misread the message, because it said if you break it, we'll buy you a new one. It didn't specify anything. And for him, he's suing him with the mindset that he's going to get his phone back because he broke his phone in the process. But it here, of course, it was a product being marketed, and that product was the phone case. So the it here actually meant the phone case. And just the fact that it was specified in the marketing material, which is the ad, and not specifically a phone, already makes the CEO and the founder of this business in a good spot right here, because to be honest, he has the defense. He is the one with the advantage in this whole case, and I'm supporting him. But the so-called client here that is expecting someone to refund him for breaking his phone is really at a disadvantage here, and to be honest, I don't think he's getting that money. But let's see how it goes in this court.
Can I see this advertising?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Your Honor. In fact, I have.
The only thing that it specifies, it does specify in very, very small print, which nobody's going to see. And it also implies that he'll get you a new phone, not a new case.
Your Honor, on the top part, I have, it says it right there. I'll replace it for you.
If you can break it, we'll buy you a new one. Mm-hmm. Our $29.95 offer for the new case expires 12/31/22. So this was like a marketing campaign.
Yes, ma'am.
That you had until December 31st to get another, if you broke this phone case, you could get another phone case.
Yes, ma'am.
Or was it about your phone?
No, Your Honor, we are a phone case company.
Unbreakable. Well, is anybody ever really worried about breaking their phone case? They're worried about breaking their phone. But you're saying, though, that the case won't be broken, so your phone won't be either.
Yes, that's the logic behind it. Yes, Your Honor.
Your Honor, I also work construction, so I need to have an unbreakable phone case.
All right, and then you've got a review, hands down the best phone case I've ever had. I ran over my phone with a pickup truck, and I didn't get a scratch on it. So you've got a review.
Yes,
you
ma'am.
ran over it with a pickup truck, and nothing happened.
Yes, ma'am.
And so Tell me what happened to your phone when you had the unbreakable phone case on it, Mr. Bird.
Okay, so I actually saw the advertisement online. I buy the phone case.
How
right?
much did the phone cost?
The phone
case.
The phone case was about $32.80.
All right, so that was the $29.95 plus tax?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And I was working on my dad he has a construction job company, and he called me over to do a job, and I was working on the roof when I was putting a shingle into the top of the roof. My phone slipped out of my pocket, and I went to go grab it, and I went over the gutter, so I fell straight on my neck. Yes, I fell straight on my neck.
Trying to catch your phone?
Trying to catch the phone that was slippery, that is apparently supposed to be durable also.
Oh, Lord. So the phone went over the roof?
Yes, it did. And now when I fell over the roof, I was more worried about my injuries. I didn't focus on the phone because apparently on the advertisement it says that the phone will be unbreakable.
So I feel sad for the guy that broke his neck, to be honest. But this whole case, I still feel he is not on the side he's on the disadvantage here, because in as much as he feels like the marketing material sold him an unbreakable phone case, therefore an unbreakable phone, the founder here seems to have been on the very good side when they emphasize that it's the phone case that they're going to replace. But we'll see how this goes in the courtroom.
It says that the case is unbreakable because the thing is, it's a $29.95 offer for the new case expires. It specifically says in the advertisement that it's for a new case.
But now I have the case with
Your Honor,
me.
I have
as
offered
well.
him a free
So you can
case
see
for him and his mother, and I pay for all the shipping, all the handling.
I don't want any
and
case. I need
we are a
my
case
money back
company,
for my phone.
not a phone company.
Okay, so you believe he owes you for the new phone.
Yes, that's what.
Do you have any evidence?
100%. This is my phone case. My phone's destroyed. I don't have it with me because I had to get a new phone. I had to buy a new phone because of his faulty cases.
His reckless
Did you bring
behavior,
a receipt what you paid for your phone?
I have the receipts.
May I see that, please?
his reckless behavior is not my problem.
What is that supposed to
All
mean?
right, so this is what
That's
your
not even fair
phone
to
looked
say.
like
Sir.
once it went off the roof.
Yes.
Here's the advertising, the unbreakable case. If you break it, we'll buy you a new one. The offer we stand by 100%. If you break it, we'll buy you a new one.
Exactly.
Your Honor, and I have offered to compensate him for free, and if he still didn't like the phone, he could return it at no cost to him.
The phone or the phone case?
The phone case, Your Honor.
How many times I don't want a new phone case. I need my money back for the phone that I bought.
This case sucks. Says it's unbreakable or unbreakable.
These are the real reviews, not the
or
fake
whatever,
one from Texas.
and it broke within a month. Would give it 0 stars if I could. Listen, you're suing for fraud and false advertising.
Yes.
But when I'm looking at the advertising, it is clear to me that they're talking about the case. Now, it is understood that the case is supposed to protect your phone. But in the advertising, it never states if you break the case and that breaks your phone, then we'll give you another phone. It does not say that.
That's right, Your Honor. And
it does explicitly state that it's a $29.95 offer, which we could easily deductively reason that that's the price of the case, not a $1,000 telephone.
I just want to state that I've been more than generous as a small company to replace any and all damages to that particular phone, and to even offer free phones. So I said to his family, to him, free of charge. I pay for
He done
shipping. I
said
pay
phone
for calls.
again.
Phone case.
This guy, I don't know. I think he should mind his language in the courtroom, because everything here can be used against you in the court of law. You are still making a mistake of saying phones instead of phone cases. He is a startup founder and he's trying to sell his phone cases. But he's right here in the court of law, right here in the courtroom, he keeps mentioning phones, when we all know that it's the phone case he has been trying to emphasize. Because if he has offered to replace his phone, he won't be in the courtroom today. So let's watch.
I'm about to award him this $1,531.90. I'm about to award him this $1,500 because you keep saying, Mr. Leslie, you offer people another phone. You are basically undoing my entire argument. And guess what? What was I about to do? Rule in your favor. And here you go running your mouth, running yourself all the way to a judgment against you. Why do you keep saying phone?
Unfortunately, this is my first time in the courtroom, ma'am. I'm not usually in this type of setting. That's why, as a small business owner, I'm not usually in a courtroom, so I'm just a little bit nervous. Forgive me.
Uh-oh. Just caught some other language. That's why I got to put my glasses on. Make your phone unbreakable. Uh-oh.
Do you see what I mean?
No, you didn't see it because you've been in here for 25 minutes and never said it. You have not testified to that yet. I had to look and it's like embedded at the top, so I had to get my glasses on. You ain't said it one time.
I didn't
Make
see it.
your
I'm sorry.
phone unbreakable. However, you still see, if you can break it, we'll buy you a new one.
Yes.
And still in that fine print, which is what we never read, it's a $29.95 offer. It doesn't change. Unfortunately, Mr. Bird, I have really considered this thoroughly, as you can see. I don't like that line and I think you need to remove it. But I don't think under these circumstances that we can really say that you truly meant to represent that if your phone broke, you would replace it, because that's not the value. I'm torn. I'm gonna award the plaintiff $500 because I don't like that line. Do you all? Think about, have you ever bought a phone case that says on the front that your phone's gonna be unbreakable? Yeah, I haven't either, and I bought a lot of phone cases. Judgment for the plaintiff for $500. Court is adjourned.
Okay, this ruling is quite funny and it's a sketchy one, and it's one that favors the plaintiff, but doesn't outrightly give him the full $1,500 that he's asking for a new phone. But it also teaches a lesson to the founder here that sometimes things in your marketing material needs to be reviewed so that you can defend it in the courtroom. Because right now, the thing that was being in the marketing material was the whole, if your phone breaks, we make your phone unbreakable. That's like overselling your material. It's just protecting your phone, literally. That's what the phone case does. It protects your phone, but it doesn't make your phone unbreakable because there are some hazards that can't protect your phone totally. So that's the thing here. So this is a big lesson to not just the founder, but to everybody that is into the whole marketing thing and promoting their products online or wherever. Is to be very careful on how they tailor their value and project their value offering to people, because it can be taken literally and sometimes it can be used against you in the court of law. So from a $29 refund that should have been given, now it's a $500 refund. So that's like $480 or $470 extra being paid by the founder just because something was in the marketing material that was not supposed to be there. But anyway, this ruling, I'm torn too by Judge Lauren Lake's ruling, but I understand it. Anyway, tell me what you think about it in the comment section. I'll go by the name East Coast Prince, and I'll see you guys on the next one.